Here we are at HobbyQuarters. Here's the new UDR. Come down, check it out. Hey, Tim.
Yes, sir.
What do you think, Tim?
Oh, this is awesome. This is what I'm talking about. Traxxas Ultimate Desert Racer. What do you guys think? Looks almost as good as me, don't it?
All right, so let's quickly make this quick video. I'm very excited. We're taking pre-orders on this. Check out the scale detail on this thing.
You betcha.
There's 2 working spares. Extra drive shaft. Look, it's got really nice fire extinguishers, shock coolers, and reservoirs, and working, well, actually, fake fans that actually move. Traxxas has done awesome scale detailing, great cockpit, and check out the dual shocks front and rear, and scale sway bars front and rear. I'm going to flip this truck over. Hey, Tim, how do you get the battery in there?
You're going to take this little switch here, slides right out, battery tray. 2 3S batteries. It takes up to 2 3S batteries. Easy. Take it out. And if you look at this, I think this is the neatest design that they made, where you have you plug them in here. There's no dangling wires around once that's plugged in. And the thing I like about it, once it's plugged in, you put this back on, every part is covered. So it won't rip wires out anymore. Like sometimes when you hit something, the wires might come out. That's the good part about this new battery system that Traxxas have come up with. But other than that, my man, and you got the 6S speed controller, you got your motor, all of that stuff is compact now. So there's no wires hanging out of this car, which is great. Like he said before, you have the 2 real tires on the rear here. It's really attention to detail with the 2 men inside. And
Thing is beautiful, isn't it?
It's gorgeous. I love it.
Wow.
I love it.
Well,
Soon as we can, I know what's coming home with me. Soon as we get them in, we got ours.
No, you're not. It's coming home with me.
No, it's coming home with me.
Well, you
Please.
betcha we're gonna have a lot of fun with this.
I sure hope so. You betcha.
All right. Well, come on down the HobbyQuarters in Foxborough, Massachusetts. We're going to be demoing this vehicle, and if you show us that you can drive, we'll let you drive it, maybe. And we're taking pre-orders. It's going to be first come, first serve. So come on down, put your deposits down. Hey, Tim,
I'm going to take off with this.
Come back here with that. No, you don't, Tim.
No,
come
sir.
On back.
No,
Get over
sir.
here.
Hey, please.
All right.